Good morning, students. Today we will see some questions of exercise 10.1. We had already started this chapter. We will see some questions. Question number 10. Price of petrol is ₹65 per liter. Price of petrol is ₹65 per liter. It is first increased by 4% and then reduced by 5%. What is the final price of petrol? Let us see. Initially the price of petrol is 65 per liter. Therefore, increased price of petrol. 65 is the original plus 4% of 65 in rupees. This will come 65 plus 4 by 100 into 65. 65 plus 65 plus 2.60, 67.60. This is the increased price of petrol. Now the price is reduced by 5%. So we will find reduction in the price of petrol. Reduction in the price. 5% of 67 rupees 60 paise. 5 by 100. This will come by 100. 3 rupees 38 paise. So the final price of petrol, price after reduction, that is the final price, 67 rupees 60 paise minus 3 rupees 38 paise. This will come 64 rupees 62 paise. 64 rupees 62 paise. So the reduced price of petrol is 62 rupees 64 rupees 12 paise. Sorry, this will not be 62, this will be 12. 64 rupees 12 paise is the reduced price of petrol. Question number 15. Question number 15 now. The level of water in a tank is increased by 20% in the morning after refilling. During the day, it is reduced by 30%. What is the net rise or fall in the level of water? Question number 20. The level of water in a tank is first increased by 20% as water is filled in the tank. The level of water increases by 20%. After that, during the day, the water is consumed and level comes down by 20%. What is the net increase or decrease in the level of water? Net rise or fall in the level of water. This is question number 15. So we start by taking the level of water in the beginning as 100 cm. Let the water of level in the morning 100 cm. Let the level of water in the morning be 100 cm. Level of water in the morning be 100 cm. When the tank is filled, the level rises by 20%. So, level of water after the tank is filled. After the tank is filled, what will be level of water? 100 cm plus 20% of 100 cm. 20% of 100 will be 20. 100 plus 20 is equal to 120 cm. Now, water is consumed during the day, and after the day, the level comes down by 20%. So, decrease or fall in level of water. 20% of 120 cm. 20% of 120 cm. 20 by 100 into 120. This will come 24 cm. Therefore, level of water after the day. During the day, the water is consumed. So, we find the level of water after the day 120 cm minus 24 cm. 120 cm minus 24 cm, it will become 96 cm. Now we have to find the net rise or fall. We see in the morning the level of water is 100 cm, and after the day it comes to 96 cm. Clearly there is a fall in level of water, that is 100 minus 96, 4%. Net fall is equal to 100 minus 96 is equal to 4%. So, there is a net fall in the level of water by 4%. After this, we will see question number 20. Question number 20. A concrete slab. There is a concrete slab. You know what is concrete? The mixture of cement, sand and stone is called concrete. A concrete slab, 53% of the slab is cement and the rest is stone and sand. 53% is cement and the rest is sand and stone. So can you tell the percentage of sand and stone? 53% is cement and remaining is stone and sand. So what is the percent of stone and sand? Percentage weight of cement and sand. Percentage weight of cement and sand will be 100 minus 53% is cement. Sorry, this is not cement. Percentage weight of sand and stone. Stone and sand. 100 minus 53. 47%. So sand and stone is 47%. Cement is 53%. Difference in percentage. Difference in weight in percentage. What is the difference in percent? 53% minus 47%. 6%. And it is given that cement is 2 kg 160 gram. 2 kg 160 gram more than a stone and sand. Let the total weight of the slab be x kg. Total weight of the slab be x kg. If x kg is the total weight, then 6% of total, the difference of cement and sand and stone is 6%, and in kg that is 2 kg 160 gram. Therefore 6% of x is equal to 2 kg 160 gram in kg will become 2.160 kg. You can solve this. X is equal to 2.160. This 100 will go that side by 6. 216 by 6. Point will be cancelled by 100. 216 by 6 will come 36. So the weight of slab is 36 kg.